Hey, so I haven't made any YouTube videos in a while, so I thought what better way to start making YouTube videos again by a new project. So we're currently here at Sorted Race Gear, which is one of your biggest suppliers of all your trolley gear, along with a few other brands. But what we're going to do, we're going to head over to the new workshop and start the new project. Let's go. So here we are in the workshop. We've got the brand new Kona 134 in the stand. This year I'm going to be getting supported by Bergtech, so we'll be kitting the bike out with all Bergtech components. Let's get ready to build. Awesome, there she is, ready to rip. That gloss fire oxy colour, the orange, just looks absolutely amazing. Massive shout out to Kona Bikes for hooking me up for this British 4-cross race season. I'm going to be heading out to the Pro Tour, racing on the UK series. Massive thank you as well to Sorted Race Gear for letting me use the workshop. Sutty's Hoops for completing the build for me. Daniel at Wagstaff Media for shooting. And yeah, the next video we should be riding this. Thanks a lot, guys. Is this one sat on the rim?
That's sat on the rim already.
Orange.
Can't wait, let's do this.